In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down menu in the Shopify Dawn theme, which is perfect for those looking to enhance their online store's navigation. Adding a drop-down menu is a great way to organize your products or pages under concise headings, making it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Let's get started. First, begin by navigating to your Shopify homepage. This will likely be your main dashboard, where you manage all aspects of your store, from viewing orders to checking on sales analytics. Once you're there, look toward the sidebar on the left, where you'll find various options. Click on the one labeled Online Store. This will take you to an area where you can manage and customize your store's appearance. Next, look for the Themes section within this menu. This is where you can control everything related to the visual presentation of your site. You'll see your active theme, which for most of you following this guide is the Dawn theme. Under the Themes section, find the button that says Customize and give it a click. This opens the theme editor, a space where you can make aesthetic and functional changes to your online store. Here, you'll have the opportunity to truly tailor the shopping experience to your brand's unique identity. Once you're in the customization section, it's time to navigate to the header settings. This part of the editor is where you'll make changes to how the top of your website appears, including its layout and functionalities. Click on Header to open its customization options. Within the header settings, there will be a menu that lists different types of layout choices. You may see various types, but for now, our interest is in creating a drop-down menu. Look closely for an option usually labeled Menu Type or something similar, which will help you access menu settings. Upon clicking Menu Type, you'll see a list of options appear. While you might observe several settings to choose from, our focus is to add a drop-down menu. Select the drop-down option, which will enable the addition of layered menu items under main headings. This action will create a clean, organized way for visitors to browse through categories. Remember, organizing your menu items in a thoughtful and intuitive manner can greatly improve user experience. By following these steps, you've successfully added a drop-down menu to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. With this new setup, customers can easily navigate through categories, ultimately driving more efficient shopping and potentially increasing your conversion rates. If you're satisfied with how your menu looks, don't forget to save the changes by clicking the Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This will ensure all adjustments are applied and live on your store. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your Shopify site for better user engagement.